This is a camera we recently purchased because we want to step up our game a little bit. So we ordered this unbelievable 8K ultra high definition video recorder. Let me tell you something, you get a lot for your money in this box. First of all, you got this great case, and then the camera. It's a 8K ultra high definition with Wi-Fi, screen, speaker, microphone. Everything's built into it. Super easy to operate. Zoom feature on top, record button on the back. It doesn't get any easier than that. It's just press and record or zoom in and zoom out. It also has the other features here and your connections in the back here. But this is super compact, super light. Let's take a look at what else this wonderful camera comes with. You have a really nice microphone that you can mount right on the top here. Comes with a remote, which I am very excited about because I don't have to wait for somebody to press the record button. I can just start recording myself, turn the screen towards me to make sure everything's good, hit record and hit stop when I'm done. So this is a great feature if you're doing videos by yourself. It also comes with a light that you can mount to the top of the camera, lens shield, handheld bracket, and it comes with 2 batteries and a charger. So you get everything you need to get started. So we're gonna put this together and we're gonna see what it looks like. When you put the handle on it so that you can do different action shots and things of that nature, you got this little handle, which is really nice, but you can still connect it to a tripod. With the microphone on here, you just plug it right in the back. There's a microphone jack. I could use it like this freehand, or I could mount it onto a tripod. As you can see, it's got a really nice color screen. All your options are listed on the screen. I can use my remote control to turn this on and off and get a really good quality video. 8K quality, compact design, comes with the handle, comes with a light, comes with a microphone, remote control, everything you need to get started doing videos, whether it's personal, business, or just for a hobby. This is something I can highly recommend, and I can't wait to get started using it.